2005 Holiday Rambler Imperial for sale in Garden City, Kansas, 67846. Spread your wings and fly with this 2005 Holiday Rambler Imperial. This Class A motorhome is 42 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong-powered Cummins 400 diesel pusher engine mated with an automatic transmission. This RV has 4 slide-outs, 1 power retractable awning, and offers sleeping accommodations for up to 4 guests. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with leveling system, backup camera, side vision camera and captain's chairs. This Holiday Rambler Imperial will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2005 Holiday Rambler Imperial is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on a campsite. Highlights of these features include Corian countertops, 2-burner stove/oven, microwave, refrigerator/freezer, double kitchen sink, dinette chair seating, fireplace, DVD/CD/stereo, sofa, sleeper chair, shower, toilet, sink, master queen-size bed, television, storage closet/dresser, and so much more. This 2005 Holiday Rambler Imperial is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Holiday Rambler is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2005 Holiday Rambler Imperial.